Hello everyone, welcome to iCraft Design. So today I've got another tutorial for you all, and that's a card dangler what we are going to make using this resin insert sheets. Yes, the name says it's a resin insert sheets, but you can also use it without the resin and can give an effect exactly like a resin. So do you want to see how? Let's watch this video. So I have picked up my Evil sheet because this is something what we are making card dangler, and this goes perfectly for that. You can choose any of these two pieces from this one of your choice, but I just love mandala, so I'm going to choose these two mandalas, Evil Eye shaped mandala, and we will create our card dangler both the sides. So let's start. So here I've taken 3.5-inch MDF circle, which is just a 2 mm thick. These are already pierced from the top and bottom, but also you can pierce it yourself using a needle. So it's a very soft board. It's really easily you can just poke them. So let's get started. Here I'm using my white color chalk paint for a base. You can also avoid the paint and directly place your resin insert sheets here. So we will paint this with the flat brush and give a smooth finish from both the sides. The paint which I am using is a iCraft chalk paint, and it just comes in a one coat of coverage very nicely. Once this dry, we will paint on other side. After the smooth finish paint, we will allow it to dry. So here my MDF is ready and it's dried completely. So we will start cutting the Evil Eye from this one. As I said, I'm going to choose these two designs. We'll use a normal scissor to cut this one into the shape. After cutting these two pieces, we're gonna stick them with our glue. Other one we will be sticking at the back side. While sticking, you can just uh, keep this point and this point in straight align. So here our base is ready. Now it's time to decorate them with the beads and accessories. So first I'm gonna start with the half beads, which I will be sticking it on the edges. You can use any glue. You can leave here some space to give the hangings. So here our first layer of bead part is complete, and we'll allow it to dry, and then we will do it the same process at the back side. So here we have applied beads on both the sides, and after this dry we're gonna make some beautiful danglers hanging for this one. So first I'm taking the ring and piece of wire, and you can just give a simple knot here. We will add some beads inside this one. Again, all these beads are by iCraft. So you can just add as much as you want, or the length you can decide accordingly. You can just place your beads. After this one, I'm gonna try this one. After making this one, we'll tie here. And just give a simple knot. And cut the extra wire with the scissor. Here you go. It's ready to hang it on your car. Now to make it more beautiful and accessorize, you can also add some more hangings below. So using a similar beads and accessories, I have prepared already these ones, and I'm gonna just hang it below this one. So here is our final outcome of a dangler. Now it's ready to go on your car. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial, and for more such tutorial, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel.